Good morning. Thought I'd do a quick greenhouse update at home. 26th of June. Doing this before I go to work, so it won't just be a quick update. Outside the greenhouse, got some in a pot. I'm trying to grow some turnips. Getting a bit full at the allotment, so I decided to try and do them in a container. The two lots of carrots that we've got growing are for the little fun competitions that they're doing for the NVS here in Jersey. These ones are called Nandor. I've just undone the fleece here so you can see. These were planted in early February, as you can see, and if I just move the compost around, you can see that they're a nice size already. So say these are called Nandor. I'll tie those back up in a minute. And these ones in here, they were only sowed in April, so they're still very small, and they are Chantenay carrot. Both of them are the short stump type because they're only grown in a 30 litre pot, 25 litre pot. You don't want to do the long variety, otherwise they're just going to reach the bottom. Got some various herbs growing outside the greenhouse that we did from seed. Some parsley is growing really well. We'll be using that for our veg baskets, so that's doing okay. Just a little pond that I showed you last time. Haven't seen any of the toads recently, so I don't know if they've all just gone. As I say, I don't know exactly what they do. If they just get out the pond or they stay until they get a lot bigger. Not too sure. Right, greenhouse. Tomatoes. Well, I've painted the tops off the tomatoes because they'd reached the top of their canes, and as you can see from here, especially these ones, some lovely tomatoes forming. These ones are Moneymaker, and again these are all full of tomatoes. Gardener's Delight. So we've got loads of tomatoes on there. This one here, which is a new one, Black Cherry, full of fruit. The trusses are loaded. This truss here, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, about 30 tomatoes on one truss. Unbelievable. Basil, cut a whole load of basil the other day, made some pesto, absolutely lovely. I should do actually a video of making that pesto. It was really nice, so got loads in the freezer. These are our gherkins. I've already cut 2 of them, but ideally what I need to do now is a whole load to be the same size at the same time, so we can preserve them in some vinegar. Shallots. These are my first attempt at show shallots. But they're drying nicely. A lot of them, there's a few that had split before I managed to pick them. I did leave them a bit late, but I should have enough to do the sets for the show. A couple of chilli plants, just starting to form little flowers, just starting to come out. I'll need to repot these. Well, not pot bound yet, so they're fine. Got various seeds growing to plant late. Got marrow. Got some courgettes, some beans. Those are called Stanley. On the floor here we've got a load of French beans called the Prince. They're really more for the show as well as eating. We've got some Mange tout peas called Shiraz. These are a purple Mange tout, which I've never done before, but I thought I'd give them a try. We've got another half a dozen fennel. I've got some beetroot Pablo growing in some cell trays. They'll be planted out soon. And there's some more fennel and some kale. Don't know why I'm doing this, but I thought I'd give it a go. These are the cucumbers. Again, I've taken the tops off. I didn't want to grow them all up, to be honest with you, because I don't want that many cucumbers. As you can see, cucumber here. Now I don't know if cucumbers straighten themselves out as they grow or you help them along. If anyone knows, please let me know. So got cucumbers growing there. I'm hoping that that one there at least will be a nice size. We'll have a couple of nice size for the July show for our salad basket. And same with the tomatoes. I'm hoping those will be ripe enough to put in the salad basket competition. So we've got 1, 2, 3 cucumber plants here, 4 cucumber plants here growing. As you can see, again, nice cucumbers in there. So they're doing well. I'll give them a water in a minute. And this one here, for some reason, is a lot smaller. I don't know why. It's got cucumbers on, but it's growing a lot smaller, this one. So, and then all I do with these cucumbers is because I want all the sort of the goodness and moisture to go into the cucumbers. We take off the suckers. These are the side growths, so it just leaves the little cucumbers, as you can see there. So you don't want your energy of your plant going to anything else apart from the cucumbers. So there's one there. So you can see the little sucker there. That will grow out into a big side shoot. So you just pull them off. There's one there, and it just leaves the cucumbers, so the energy goes on the plants. Well, that's it. I'll do a video as soon as I can of the allotment. Bye for now.